Class, this is session 11 part 2 where we are going to see the practical that how to typecast a input function to another data type. So class, here in the last video I have shown you this example where I have written a Python code like this, where I was getting a error, or not error exactly, where I was not getting the output which I was expecting. I was expecting the output that has to be 18, but due to string value it has joined the number. Rather than showing 18, it is showing 10 and 8, which is displaying like a 108 here. Okay class, now as we have learned, input function takes string value by default. Now how to typecast it? It means how to change the value of string into some other data type. So rather than doing it here, I am opening a other Python screen here. So let's open it. Okay, I hope everyone is able to see that. So I'm going to write the same thing. So let's start. N1 equals to, right? पहले हम क्या लिखते थे? Input your message. So my message is here. Enter first number. I'm writing the same as it is so that it will not create a problem or any kind of confusion for you. But here earlier what was happening? It is taking a value in string. This line. Okay, by displaying this message, it is taking a value. Whatever I'm entering, it is taking as a string data type and showing an N1. So I need to typecast. I will typecast in which format? Int. Right? And just close the bracket. So whatever message will remain same. I'm entering the same value 10. So अब ये 10 मेरा string में नहीं जाएगा. It will convert into int and it will go and store in N2. Again N2 equals to, earlier we used to write like this. Enter second number, right? But now I need to typecast in which format? Int. Int stands for integer. It will hold numerical value without decimal, right? So it will show me the message I'm entering 8. Now I'll writing the same command, print. I don't want any message to be displayed. I want the exact output should be need to be displayed. The first value I have taken in N1 and the next value I have taken in N2. So I'll directly write N1 plus N2. This plus operator is my arithmetic operator which requires 2 operands. So here is my one operand N1 and next operand is N2. Right? Now the output is 18. Why? In earlier we have not typecasted because by default input takes value in string. String में अगर आप प्लस करते हैं तो वो concatenate, join करके दिखा देगा, combine करके दिखा देगा. Because we cannot perform arithmetic operation on string. As I have taken an example, you cannot join Delhi and Jaipur. When you try to add it, it becomes Delhi Jaipur, right? So here, that is why whatever the number I want to accept, I want to perform arithmetic operation on it. So that is why it is important to typecast it. इसी problem को से निकलने के लिए class, that's why we always write steps in English, which is known as algorithm. So that rather getting problem over here, we can resolve it on that steps only. That's why I prefers before writing directly Python program, just for the beginning, just start writing the steps. It will strong your logic. It will strong the sequence, what you are thinking in mind and what you are writing. Are they all matching or not? Because once it is clear what you are thinking and what you are doing, so it means you are able to learn programming language, because programming language is very easy to learn, but the sequence has to be clear. Am I clear class? So class, the same example I want to do in another way. Class, here I am displaying the output together. आप इसको तीसरे तरीके से भी कर सकते हो. What is the third way? Rather doing it here, I am again opening a new slide over here. So let's see. So basically class, what I want to do it here. Here I am just directly displaying N1 plus N2. Right? If I want कि भाई इसको जो output है उस पर भी मुझे आगे further कोई calculation करनी है, so you can also save the output. Here I am just directly displaying the output 18. I am not saving it here anywhere. सो इफ यू आर प्रिडिक्टिंग कि जो भी आउटपुट है उस पर देर इज अ चांस और पॉसिबिलिटी टू परफॉर्म अदर ऑपरेशंस लाइक मल्टीप्लाई, माइनस, डिवाइड, so you can perform by writing a program like this. n1 equals to int, right, int input, enter a number कीजिए. I'm taking the same message, enter first number, right, I'm entering the 10. Again n2 equals to int bracket start input function I'm writing, and the message I want, enter second enter second number, double quotes, bracket close, and int ka bracket close. So here I'm taking this. So now I want to save it. I'm creating a new variable with the name 3 which will hold the output or summation of num1 plus num2. So here what I'm doing, rather than directly printing, I'm just first storing my output in n3. So n1, what would be the value of n1, और n2 की जो भी वैल्यू है किस में स्टोर हो जाएगी, n3 में. आफ्टर दैट आई एम डिस्प्लेइंग आउटपुट लाइक योर आंसर is equal to comma n3 like this, right? So class, now you got it why to use this. Both the programs are same, this one and this one, but what is the difference? Here you are directly displaying the output without storing it somewhere. Here you can't put operation on 18. Why? Because I'm just displaying it, I'm not storing it somewhere. In my program here I'm storing my value where, in n3, so that for the future purpose I can hold the value which I have done addition of the two number which I have taken from the user, right? So it depends on the scenario. आपको अगर कोई वैल्यू के अंदर आगे कैलकुलेशन करनी है तो आप पहले वैल्यू को स्टोर करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इमेजिन आई एम गोइंग टू अ मॉल फॉर अ शॉपिंग. मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स की शॉपिंग कर ली. नाउ आई रीच टू द बिलिंग काउंटर. बिलिंग काउंटर में भी कैसे होता है, वॉट एवर द पर्सन हु इज़ द अटेंडेंट ओवर देयर, द पर्सन हु विल स्कैन योर प्रोडक्ट्स, पहले स्टेप बाय स्टेप काम होता है. पहले क्या होता है, पहले टोटल वैल्यूज आती हैं, जो भी आपका टोटल अमाउंट होगा उसमें से वो क्या डिस्काउंट को क्या करते हैं, डिडक्ट करते हैं. तो उसमें उनको पहले टोटल अमाउंट को सेव करना होता है. क्यों? बिकॉज टोटल अमाउंट पे उनको आगे एक और ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करना होता है जिसे हम कहते हैं डिस्काउंट, राइट? तो दे नीड टू डिडक्ट द अमाउंट ऑफ द डिस्काउंट सो दैट दे कैन रीच टू द फाइनल अमाउंट विच कस्टमर हैज टू पे. सो इन दिस सिनेरियो वी नीड टू स्टोर द आउटपुट, ठीक है. लेकिन अगर वो डायरेक्टली दिखा रहे हैं देयर इज नो डिस्काउंट, तो दे कैन डायरेक्टली यूज दिस आउटपुट. ओके क्लास, थैंक यू.